having one polynomial, which is x square plus 5x plus 6. And we are going to discuss how to split the middle term. Okay. We are going to how to do the factorization basically by splitting the middle term. Okay, how to do factorization by splitting the middle term. That's what we are going to discuss. Let's start with the discussion. So you have understood factorization means what? Okay, in the last class only I was explaining that factorization means something into something. Okay, something into something, that's called factorization. Now, when we are doing the factorization of any expression, then also we are thinking the same thing, that how to write this expression, uh, how to write this polynomial, okay, in the multiplication form, okay, something multiplied with something, okay, that's called factorization. So when we are having this type of quadratic polynomial, which looks like ax square plus bx plus c. See, this is the standard form of quadratic polynomial. Degree 2 polynomials, standard form is ax square plus bx plus c. Please don't worry with like what all of sudden what I have written on the screen. Okay, don't get confused. The way you have learned the standard form, or maybe a general form of writing a letter, or maybe general form of writing an application, you have learned, right? That date we must write in this corner, and address we must write over here, and the main content will be in the middle. Same way, quadratic polynomial looks like this. Okay, and the example can be anything. 5x square plus 8x plus 20. Okay, or maybe 3x square plus just x plus 25. Okay, these are the proper example, and this one is just the format of format. Okay, format means just I will take a mold, okay, from the market, and I will put chocolate in that mold, and I will get the, okay, that mold will give me a teddy bear shaped chocolate. Okay, or maybe so many different types of animals shape, just I will pour the chocolate in the mold, and I will end up getting the different shapes of chocolate. So this is just like a mold. Okay, this is just like a format. Making sense? Here whatever you want you can put as a b c, you will end up getting a polynomial, that is quadratic polynomial. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay, so whenever we are having, who has joined, let me check. Afia, can you
Yes,
hear
ma'am.
me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay, so we have just started. Okay, still I have not discussed anything. I was just explaining to everybody that we are going to discuss today how to do the factorization of quadratic polynomial by using the method of splitting the middle term. Okay, maybe you have learned this one in the previous class, or maybe, okay, you are learning it for the very first time. Let's continue.
Okay.
So when we are having quadratic polynomial which looks like ax square plus bx plus c, here a b c are just numbers. Okay, below this ax square plus bx plus c I have written few example, 5x square plus 8x plus 20, or maybe 3x square plus x plus 25. Now each time if I will ask you what is a, what is b, what is c, will you be able to tell me what is a, what is b, what is c? Okay, I am telling you
Yes.
that our quadratic polynomial looks like ax square plus bx plus c. See, this is just a format. This is just a format. Okay, actually your question or your example will look like 2x square plus 3x plus 5. And if I will ask you what is a, what is b, what is c over here, can you tell me, like, are you able to identify? Yes, Afan, please tell me what is a, what is b, what is c.
A is 2, B is 3, and C is 5.
Yes, A is 2, B is 3, and C is 5. Okay. A means whatever is the coefficient of x square. B means whatever is the coefficient of x, and C means the constant number which is without any x square or x. That is our C. Okay, so I can see you are able to understand. Let me give you few more example. Suppose we are having 8x square minus x plus 11. Please tell me what is A, what is B, what is C over here. Yes,
A is 8, B is X, C is 11.
C is 11 and B is, okay, B is the coefficient of x. Whatever is
B is 1.
multiplied with, okay, so we will say B is minus 1 because nothing is there but the negative sign is there. So we will say minus 1. Are you getting it? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Getting it? Ranjima, have I taken your class previously?
Ma'am, Purva.
Okay, Apurva, you please rename yourself.
Yeah.
Here I am explaining that how to, okay, this is a format of quadratic polynomial, just a format, okay, just a format. In mathematics, no, we use this alphabet A B C D to represent constant, to represent numbers. Okay, so wherever you will see formula or something, always it will be written A B C D P Q. Okay, you have learned the definition of rational number, and there also the definition was that confusing initially, that every number which is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integer and Q not zero. Okay, I have found that few student it, okay, when they have learned for the very first time, it was confusing that why we are saying P and Q. But later on they realize, okay, P is a number, Q is a number, P is an integer, and Q is also integer, and that is rational, right? Right. So this is how you will find in maths, every definition, everything, every explanation, always it will be in the form of A B C D P Q R S. Okay, just don't get confused and see it like a number. Okay, the way you understand here, P and Q are number, and number means integer. Okay, any integer, but Q should not be zero. Okay, Q, the denominator, you can take any integer, the numerator you can take any integer, but the denominator you should not take zero. Okay, that all those numbers are rational. Similarly, here I am telling you that ax square plus bx plus c, this is a form of, okay, standard form or general form of quadratic polynomial. Okay, actual example will look like this one. The first one, 2x square plus 3x plus 5. Here Afan said A is 2, B is 3, and C is 5. Okay, coefficient of x square, whatever is multiplied with x square, that is A. Whatever is multiplied with x along with the sign, positive or negative sign, that is B. And whatever is without any x square and x, that is C. Okay, and every time we are taking the sign, see, all are positive, that's why I am not written plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. But okay, when in the next example was 8x square minus x plus 11. Okay, here A is 8, 8 means positive 8, B means coefficient of x, whatever is multiplied with this x, that is our B. Okay, so with x I can see nothing is multiplied, but we will not say B is 0. See, here 1 is there, we can write 1. Okay, and mathematically it is allowed, we can take 1 over here by ourselves. So we can say that minus 1 is B. Everyone, are you getting it? Apurva, Aleph, Afan, Afia.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, and C is 11. Okay, so coefficient of x square is A, coefficient of x is B, and the constant term which is without any x square and x, that is our C. Okay, if you understood this all, then let's deal with this quadratic polynomial. Suppose we are having x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, what is A, what is B, what is C? Please tell me.
A is 1, B is 5, C is 6.
Perfect. Okay, let me take another polynomial. Yeah, here for the next one. If I will ask you, what is A, what is B, what is C?
A is 1,
A
B is
is
12,
1,
C
B
is
is
32.
12, C is 32.
Yes, perfect. Okay, just a moment. Let me scroll down. Yes, this one. Okay, this is the last example, and here only we will do factorization. Okay, factorization means you understand. Okay, something multiplied with something. That's called factorization. Okay, so we are going to write it in this pattern, and then we will say that we are done with the factorization. Okay, for doing factorization of quadratic polynomial, there is a way which is called splitting the middle term. In this method, first we have to identify ABC. Here A is 1, B is 12, and C is 32. Okay, and then step 1 is to multiply A with C. First step is to multiply A with C. So we will do the multiplication. Our A is 1 and our C is 32. We will do the multiplication and we will get just 32. Okay, the next step is to split this 32. Okay, split means do the factorization of this 32. 32, we are going to do the factorization of this 32. Okay, and we will do factorization by using only two numbers. Okay, let me clear it. When you are having a number 12, you can write it as a 2 into 2 into 3. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, we can write it as a 2 into 2 into 3, but in this case, once we will do factorization, we will only take two numbers. That means 6 into 2. Only two factors. Okay, while doing the factorization, we will only use two numbers. Okay, or maybe 12 can be written as 4 into 3. Okay, so this way we will try doing factorization by using only two numbers. Okay, so 12 can also be written as 2 into 2 into 3, but we are not going to take it. Okay, so same way we are having a number. First, let me clear it. The step number 1 is to multiply A with C. Okay, and you understand what is A, what is C. The next step is to factorize 32, but only two numbers we'll be using. Okay, so 32 can be written as, what are the two numbers which will multiply? When we will multiply them, we will be getting 32. The table of 2, no, 3, 4, 4, 8 times 32, right? Yes or no? 5, no. 6, no. 7, no. 8, okay, the same, 8 4 times, right? Right?
Yes.
9, no. 10, no. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14. If you have learned the table till 20, then you will realize that 16 2 times 32 also. Okay, or maybe 32 1 times 32. So these are the two. Okay, we have done the factorization of 32 and all these possibilities I have written. At first only I told you, while doing the factorization, we will only think about two numbers. And let me tell you, we don't have to list down all this possibility. We just have to check that what are those two number which will add it together or maybe subtracted together will give us our middle term. This middle term in our actual quadratic polynomial, in the middle one, can you see the x? Okay, the coefficient of x, or maybe that's x, whatever number which is with x, that we are calling as a middle term. Okay, clearly you can see we are having three terms over here and this one is the middle term. always we are going to check, okay, that which two number multiplied together will give 32 and added or subtracted together will give this middle term. If you are getting confused, yes, okay, if you are learning it for the very first time, there is a chance that you will end up getting confused. Again, I am reminding you, don't get confused. First we will be finding a and c. Okay, our polynomial was x square plus 12x plus 32. Okay, step 1 is to just, what is a, what is b, what is c. Okay, and then from here we will take step 1. Step 1 is to multiply a with c. We did the multiplication and we got just 32. Now step 2 is to split this 32. That means factorize this 32 by using two number. But those two number added together or maybe subtracted together must give us our middle term, that is 12. Okay, 12. Just focus on 12. So far, is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
just focus on this 12. So 32 can be written as, okay, 4 8 times or 8 4 times 32. And see carefully. Okay, 8 plus 4 is what?
12.
12. Okay, so we are searching those two number. We don't have to list down all the possibility, but yeah, we have to check that what are those two number which will multiply together. Okay, we'll give our AC this number 32 and added or subtracted together will make 12. Okay, so here 8 and 4, that is making 12. From here only we got the idea that 12x can be written as 8x plus 4x. Integer chapter you have learned, so you understand very well that plus 12 means plus 8 plus 4, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay, then x square over here, then plus 32 over here. Everything else I have copy pasted. 12 I have splitted. That's why the name was splitting the middle term. Are you understanding why it was the splitting the middle term, the name was for this method?
Yes.
Because we have splitted this 12 as a 8 and 4. But this, okay, splitting, you will only get idea by using this process only. If you will keep on sitting and you will keep on thinking, what are the two numbers which can be taken for 12? Okay, splitting this 12, then you will end up doing mistake. Okay, this process will help us how to split it. Okay, once we have done the splitting, now last class we were having the discussion, let's take out common factor from the first two. Please tell me what is common factor.
1.
1 and x.
Yes, 1 and x. Okay, we can say just x. Okay, 1x or x is the same thing. So now what will be remaining? Please tell me. If x we have already taken out from x square, the remaining over here is
8.
just x. And 8x, from this 8x we have taken out x. Then the remaining over here will be 8, right? Right?
Um,
Is it
Yes,
making
ma'am.
sense to all of you? From x square we have taken out x. Remaining is just x. From 8x we have taken out x. Remaining is just 8. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's continue. Now the next two term, 4x plus 32. Just a moment. No? Yeah. Now the next two terms are 4x plus 32. If I will ask you, please focus over here. Here. 4x plus 32. If I will ask you what can be taken out as a common factor, please tell me.
4.
4.
Okay, yes. Okay, we can take out 4. The first one has 4x. The next number is 32. Okay, the table of 4 contain 32 as well. So we will take out 4 as a common factor. Okay, and plus 4. Okay, remaining will be
X plus 8.
x plus read the table of 4. Okay, read the table of 4. The first one will be just x. Next one will be 4, 8 times 32. So 8 will be there, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, yes, Sumaya, you was there in the last class? Please let me know. Uh, Before that, okay, I'm writing here what we are going to get. Please, everyone, please confirm that you are getting it or not. Because this is step, okay, maybe it can be confusing. So this is 4x, okay, and this is 32 means 4 into 8. Okay, 4 you have taken out. So are you understanding that here you will get just x and here you will just end up having 4, 8? Yes or no? One by one.
Yes.
Okay, Aleph, is it clear? Aleph,
Yes, ma'am.
is it clear that 4x plus 32, if we are having 4x plus 32 and I am asking what can be taken out as a common factor, so you are just, you can see numbers over here. We can only think about number because variable is not common. Now 4, the first one has only 4 and the next one has 32. Now we will check that 32 comes in the table of 4 or not. So yes, it comes, so we can take 4 common. Now we will say 4 1 times 4, 4 8 times 32. So here 1x is left, here 8 is left. But what is exactly happening over here? Exactly this is happening, that 4 into x over here and 4 into 8 over here was there. So 4 we have taken out and that's why x plus 8 is remaining. Is it making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Apurva, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Afan, is it making sense?
Yes.
Okay, so this black part is behind the scene. Always how you will check? Always you will check by reading the table. Okay, make it a habit. Always you will read the table and you will check. Okay, any table which contain 4 as well as 32, the table of 4. Okay, suppose you are thinking about 2 and by mistake you have taken out 2. Okay, any table, such a table which contain 4 as well as 32. And suppose you have, okay, you thought about 2. And if you are thinking that 32 doesn't come in table of 2, so let me tell you. Okay, 32 is divisible by 2. Okay, table doesn't mean that 2 tens are 20 and table is over. Table we can continue to 11 times 22, to 12 times, okay, 24, to 13 times 26. So table doesn't mean that it will end till 10. Till 10 you have learned because that much is required for doing the calculation, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so by mistake if you are taking 2 common and you are thinking that 2 times 4, okay, and 2, if you will divide 32 by 2, if you will divide this 32 by 2, you will be getting 16. So suppose you are writing 16 over here. See, again and again we are only thinking about the table, and if the table part is not clear to you, then you can do the factorization. Okay, you can do the factorization of this 32, you can do the factorization of 4, and you will be able to see. I'm just trying to tell you one thing, please don't get confused. Suppose, let me give you another example. Suppose you are having 5x plus, Yeah. Suppose you are having this one. Okay, 8x plus 16. Okay, and you are thinking that which table contain 8 as well as 16. So at first only it came in your mind that 2, the table of 2 contain 8 as well as 16. So you will take out 2 common and you will read the table. 2 4 times 8. Okay, to 8 times 16. And this one you have written. Now this factorization is not, okay, it is correct, but properly we have not done the fact. Okay, common factor we have not taken properly. Can you see that is still there is a table which contain 4 as well as 8? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so if by mistake you will do like this, that a table, you were thinking about a table which contain 8 as well as 16, such a table which contain 8 as well as 16, and if you are thinking about table of 2 and 2 you have taken out common, that is also okay. Okay, that is also okay. Mathematically it is not incorrect, but one more step you have to perform here. One more step you have to perform here, and now you can see that 4 and 8 is there, so again 2 can be taken out common. Are you understanding?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
not 4 can be taken out common. Okay, so if in case you are not able to basically we check the largest table which contain 8 as well as 16. Okay, largest table, the table of 2, it contain 8 and 16. The table of 4, it contain 8 and 16. The table of 8, it contain 8 and 16. So we will use table of 8 directly. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay, while checking the table, you have to always check the largest numbers table which contain 8 as well as 16, because 2, okay, you all don't understand Hindi, otherwise I would have gone. मैं ये बोल रही हूँ, okay, I'm coming in English as well. मैं ये बोल रही हूँ कि 8 and 16 2 के भी टेबल में आता है, 8 and 16 4 के भी टेबल में आता है, and 8 and 16 8 के भी टेबल में आता है. ओके, और कोई ऐसा टेबल नहीं है जिसमें 8 भी आता है और 16 भी आता है. तो इन तीनों टेबल्स में से 2 4 एंड 8, इन तीनों टेबल्स में से हम सबसे लार्जेस्ट नंबर जो हमें दिख रहा है वो वाला टेबल कंसिडर करेंगे. मतलब 8 के टेबल में 8 भी आता है और 16 भी आता है, तो हम 8 कॉमन लेंगे और अब बोलेंगे 8 1 टाइम्स 8, 8 2 टाइम्स 16. Okay, anyone who are not able to understand Hindi, I'm coming in English. See, Aleph, you don't understand Hindi, and yes, Apurva, you as well, right? Right?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
understand, ma'am.
Okay. So let
I
me. Okay, let me one more time. I'm coming to this one. So I was just saying the table of 2 contain 8 and 16. The table of 4 contain 8 and 16. And the table of 8 also contain 8 and 16. We will always take the largest numbers table. Okay, and then only we will take out the common factor. And this way we will not do any mistake. And by mistake, if you are taking 4 as well. So let me tell you, that is also not mistake. You just have to do take out common factor again properly. Okay, taking out common factor means everything whatever was possible you have taken out. Now they don't have anything common. Okay, let's move to our question. So we were having 2x plus, or no, we were having 4x plus 32, and I was telling you that the table of 2 contain 4 and 32. That means 2 can divide 4 and 2 can divide 32. Okay, 4 can also divide 4 and 32. Okay, the table of 4 contain 4 and 32, so we will take 4 common and we are left with x plus 8. Is it crystal clear to all of you? Afan, Afia, Aleph and Apurva?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will take out 4 common and we will be having, just a second. Yes, we will be having x plus 8. Now can you see again we are having common factor? See, This bracket is a single term for us. This bracket is a single term for us. Okay, try to understand that why we take, okay, directly. In higher class you will be doing quick directly. Okay, and I have seen so many students who don't know the reason behind it. They just write that we are having x plus 8 in one bracket and x plus 4 in another bracket. But how we are getting it, let me tell you. Can you see the one term and the other term? Because bracket is a single thing. Bracket is a single entity for us. We are not going to check what is there in the bracket. Bracket is like a just one thing, a box we are having. Okay, so can you see one term, another term? Only two terms we are having over here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Aleph, are you getting it? Only two term if I am saying. Is it making sense to you? No? Aleph, are you there? Okay. Afia, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Apurva,
Yes, ma'am.
Aleph, can you hear me? In mathematics, Aleph, if we are having x, we will call it one term. If we are having 2x, we will call it one term. If we are having 2xy, we will call it one term. Okay, if we are having 2xyz, we will call it one term. If we will be having 2xyz plus 20, now we are having two term. So multiplication means it is just pasted with each other, attached with each other. Similarly, in our case, if we are having x, one term. If we are having x multiplied with x plus 8, one term. Why one term? Because bracket, if we will open the bracket, we will be having two term. But when we are not opening the bracket, when we are just keeping the bracket closed, it is just one unit for us. If I will cover the bracket and you won't be able to see what is there inside. Okay, suppose I am saying that bracket's name is k. Can you see one term we are having, x into k? Okay, so what is there in the bracket, how we will open the bracket, you don't have to think about that. Just think about it as a two term multiplied together. It's a one term. Okay, it's a one term because both are multiplied together, and bracket is a single unit for us. Okay, that's why we are saying that it's one term. This is one term, and plus 4 multiplied with x plus 8, that is one term, another term. Okay, so here basically two terms we are having. Let's get back to our question. See, today I'm explaining this part to you. Okay, and from now onward, this much, okay, detailing is not required. Always you will be doing it directly, but yeah, okay, you should understand everything really well. So, just a second. Yeah, can you see this two circle LF? Is it okay if I'm calling this two, or just we are having two terms over here? Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is common factor? Is there anything which is exactly same in these two circles?
Yes, ma'am. 8.
X plus 8, the bracket part, yes or no?
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
or x plus 8. Suppose I am covering the bracket and I am naming it K. And this bracket also I am naming it K. Why K, K? Because both brackets are exactly same. Yes or no? Can you see both brackets were exactly same? So that's why same name I am giving. That x plus 8 is K. Now, can you see any common factor? Can we say K is the common factor? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Apurva,
Yes,
Afan,
ma'am.
Aleph, can we say K is the common factor?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
that's what I have written over here. That K means x plus 8. Okay, this k means x plus 8. We are saying that this is the common factor, and what is remaining? So I'm writing remaining with green color marker. X is remaining in the first term, plus 4 is remaining in the second term, and we are done. Are you getting it? Are you getting it?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it crystal clear to all of you? So from now onward, you will not write this k and all. This is just for your understanding. Okay, that any time we will see terms like this, directly we will pick the common factors like this. How? Let me take another example. From now onward, whenever you will see that you are having y multiplied with z plus 8 plus, okay, I'm talking about, let me give a polynomial because so many different variable I must not mix up. Okay, so I was taking just expression, but let me take polynomials. Suppose we are having x multiplied with x plus 20 plus, or maybe minus 1 multiplied with x plus 20. So can you see this x plus 20 is common? Yes or no?
Yes.
Again, I am asking how many terms are there. So don't see it as a bracket. Okay, just see it as a single unit. X plus 20, it's a single unit. It's a single unit. We are not thinking about opening it. Okay, we have given this much effort to create this bracket. We are not going to open it. Okay, common factor we have taken, so reverse way we will not go. Okay, so one of the term, one box, another term, another box. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so two terms we are having. In this two term, if I will ask you what is common, Chris, can you see clearly what is common? The bracket one is common, right?
Yes.
Okay, x plus 20 is common. And what is remaining? So first, in the first part, only x is alone. And in the second part, minus 1 is alone. And we are done. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we don't do anything illogically in mathematics. Okay, directly you will be doing from now onward till class 11, 12, and after that also every time you will be doing it. That one bracket x plus 20, another bracket x minus 1. Okay, you can say one bracket x minus 1, another bracket x plus 20. This way also you can say. Why? Because 3 into 4 and 4 into 3 is the same thing. You have learned it in mathematics, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so from now onward you will be telling this thing quick, but this is the actual reason behind it. Now I am going to let's do a few more questions which is based on splitting the middle term. So I had taken x square plus 5x plus 6. We want to split the middle term. First we have to identify a, b, c. Our a is, please tell me quick. Our a is
1.
our
1.
plus 5. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, our b is plus 5, just 5 also we can write, and c is just 6, right?
6.
Yes.
Step 1 is to multiply a with c. So 1 into 6 is just 6. Step 2 is this. Okay, just take this AC, whatever you have obtained from multiplying, just take it and split it. That means factorize it. But only two numbers we need to use while doing the factorization. So 2, 3 times 6, right? 2, 3 times 6. 6,
Yes.
1 times 6. That's it. Now let's check 2, 3 is working or not. If we will write, okay, this 2 and 3 added together or maybe subtracted together is giving the middle term, this middle term, yes. Can you see 2 plus 3 is giving 5, right? Right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
5 will be written as plus 2x plus 3x. See, you have to figure it out, this sign. This symbol, you have to figure it out because integer chapter you have learned really well. Plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3 will give plus 5. Okay, plus 2 plus 3 will give plus 5. If minus 5 will be there, then what you will do? Okay, then you need to understand minus 2 minus 3 will give minus 5. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, so how you will split? Okay, AC is giving you the idea that this two number can be taken, but the sign, which one is positive, which one is negative, you have to take by yourself by using the integer chapter concept. Okay, so I will show you such questions as well, don't get confused. So here we were having plus, that's why we have taken plus 2 plus 3, and x was there, so plus 2x plus 3x will give us plus 5x. Okay, remaining everything I am copy pasting, remaining everything I have copy pasting, and we are done with the most important step. We are done. Now we will take out the common factor from the first two, x square plus 2x. What is the common factor?
1x.
X, and the remaining will be
X plus x.
x plus 2. Okay, from the next two term, what is the common factor? Such a table which contain 3 as well as 6. Such a table which contain 3 as well as 6. Which table?
2.
3.
No, it's 3.
3. Okay, what is remaining? Let's read the table. 3 1 times 3, so 1. Okay, x. 3 2 times 6, 2. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Now at this point, take a pause and see these two bracket are same or not. It has to be exactly same. Sign also.
Yes,
Every
ma'am.
to be same. If these two brackets are same, that means we are on the right track. If these two brackets are same, then that means we are on the right track. If these two brackets are not same, that means we are not on the right track. Cut everything or just get back to the first step and check where we have performed mistake. Okay, so these two brackets are same, that means we are on the right track. Let's move. Now we can clearly see two terms we are having here. X plus 2, the bracket part is common, so we will take out this and we are left with x plus 3. Are you getting it?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
you will realize you are not on the, okay, let me give you example. Suppose the same question we would have taken. Okay, the same question I am taking over here, x square plus 5x plus 6, and this time another approach. Okay, a b c, we know our a is 1, b is 5, and c is 6. Now first do the multiplication of a with c, and it is 6. And one of the possibility we were getting, 6 can be taken as 1 into 6, right? And I said to you, please check it. 1 plus 6, is it giving the middle term? No. 1 minus 6, is it giving the middle term? Okay, yes. Okay, we are not checking the sign. Minus 5 plus 5, no. Just 5 we are getting, no. And we are matching the number over here with the number over here. Are you getting? I am just matching the number over here with the number over here. Plus minus sign I am not matching now. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so there are 5 there, here 5. So 1 and 6 could have, okay, we could have taken 1 and 6. Let me show you why we have not taken that. So if you will write, okay, one of the number is 1, another number is 6. And that will also give 5. But the integer chapter you have learned very well. If you want plus 5, that means you have to take plus 6x minus 1x. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? To create plus 5, you will be taking bigger number positive and a smaller number negative, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone getting it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so the numbers, the idea you are getting from AC, but the arrangement you are doing by yourself by using the integer chapter concept. And if you have learned the same thing another way, Please do use your way. Don't get confused. For a while, just leave it. Whatever I am explaining, you don't have to focus if you understand it another way. Okay. So there are so many ways to solve a question, and this is one of the way. If you don't know, if you get stuck over here, please focus. From today onward, you will be confident. You just have to see the number over there. 1 and 6 is giving 5. 1 and 6 is giving 5 after doing the subtraction. Now we will do the arrangement. Okay, minus 1 plus 6. We can do any way. Okay, we can also write this way, plus 6x minus 1x, or maybe we can write the way we were, okay, we had already written, like this one. It's completely okay. Okay, x square I am copy pasting, plus 6 I am copy pasting. Is it crystal clear so far to everyone?
Yes.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
we will take out common from the first two. If we will take out common, x is common, right? Right? And the remaining is x minus 1. Are you getting it? From this two, x is common.
Yes, ma'am.
The remaining is x minus 1. From the next two, what is common?
6.
6. And the remaining will be x plus 1, right? Plus 1. Plus
Yes.
1. Okay, why I'm saying again and again plus 1? Because you need to understand. You need to understand, okay, I told you that we will take a pause and we will check these two brackets are same or not. It has to be exactly same. Exactly same. The sign also same. Everything same. But it is not exactly same. That means we are on the wrong track. We have chosen the wrong possibility. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
This was the correct way. 3 and 2 we have taken, and exactly same we ended up getting. The two bracket. When you will not get exactly same, that means you have not done any mistake. Just you have chosen the wrong possibility. There is another possibility over there which will help you doing the factorization. Okay, this possibility 1 and 6 is not working. So sometime you will encounter such situation. You just have to make sure that both the bracket at last, the second last step, that has to be same. Is it crystal clear so far to everyone?
Yes.
I'm taking one more question. Okay, just a moment. And we will be continuing this one in the next class. Okay, because it is that important. I teach this method to class 10 student also, who says that ma'am, I have not learned it really well in previous class. Okay, sometime to class 11 student also, and sometime to class 12 student also, but this is there in class 9, or maybe before that you must have somewhere encountered. I have not checked before that it was there or not, but here you should be, okay, confident with this one. Suppose we are having 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Step 1 is to identify A, B, C. Our A is 6, our B is 5, our C is minus 6, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now multiply A with C. While doing the multiplication, you don't have to focus on sign and everything. See, sign and everything you will be able to adjust by using the integer chapter concept. Okay, so basically you are getting 6 times 36. Okay, now you will think about splitting this 36 by using two number. Those two number added together or maybe subtracted together must give our middle term, which is 5. So table of 2, no. Okay, 36 will come, okay, when you will think about table of 2, because 18 2 times 30 is 36. So 2 18 times 36. But 18 and 2 is not giving us 5. Okay, 18 and 2 is not giving us this 5, right? So we will not think about 2 and 18. Okay, 6 6 times 36. Okay, 4 The table of 4 contain 36. 4 9 times 36. Okay. 4 9 times 36. 4 and 9 will give us 5. Yeah. When you will do the subtraction between 4 and 9, you are going to get 5. Yes or no?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
And I told you, don't worry about the sign plus 5 and all. You will be able to manage. Okay, just write 4x and 9x. And sign you will be able to manage by yourself. You need plus 5x, that means plus 9 minus 4. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now 6x square I am copy pasting and 6 I am copy pasting. Now we will take out common from the first two, from the next two. Again we will read the table. Such a table which contains 6, 4. 6 as well as 4. 6 as well as 4. The table of 2. Any other table? No. That means 2 can be taken out common. And x also. Now read the table. 2 3 times 6. So 3. X is also left. Okay, minus 2 times 4. Just 2 is left because x we have taken out. Is it making sense?
Yes.
Okay, now the next two. Read the table. Any table which contain 9 as well as 6. 9
3.
as well as 6. The table of 2? No. The table of 3? Yes. Any other table? No. Table of 3. 3 3 times 9. 3 2 times 6. Now check the two brackets. It has to be exactly same. That means you are